Why America still can't get enough of this legendary truck. What makes a truck dominate American roads for nearly 5 decades? Why do millions of drivers, from hardworking contractors to weekend adventurers, keep choosing the Ford F-Series over everything else? Today we're taking a quick look at the truck that's become more than just transportation. It's an American icon. This is the Ford F-Series. For decades, the Ford F-Series has been the best-selling truck in America, and honestly, it's easy to see why. Built tough, packed with technology, and available in everything from practical work truck trims to luxury-level interiors, the F-Series continues to set the standard for what a pickup should be. Whether you're talking about the legendary F-150, the heavy-duty Super Duty, or even the all-electric F-150 Lightning, there's an F-Series truck for just about everyone. First, let's talk about presence. The Ford F-Series doesn't just show up, it commands attention. With its bold front grille, signature LED lighting, muscular stance, and rugged body lines, this truck looks ready for anything. Whether it's parked at a job site or pulling into a mountain campsite, it makes a statement. And depending on the trim, you can go from rugged utility to full-on luxury with chrome accents, premium wheels, and upscale styling. Now under the hood, that's where things get really interesting. Ford offers multiple engine choices, from efficient EcoBoost V6 options to the legendary 5.0-liter V8 and even hybrid power. Need towing power? Some F-Series models can tow over 13,000 pounds. Need off-road capability? The Raptor takes things to another level with serious suspension and desert-ready performance. And if you want zero gas stops, the F-150 Lightning proves electric trucks are no longer the future. They're here right now. Inside, the Ford F-Series feels more advanced than ever. Massive touchscreen displays, digital gauges, wireless smartphone connectivity, premium sound systems, and smart driver assist features make every drive easier. And yes, some trims feel more like luxury SUVs than pickup trucks. Comfortable seats, huge cabin space, and smart storage solutions make this truck perfect for both work and family life. So why does America keep choosing the Ford F-Series? Simple. It does everything. Work, travel, towing, adventure, daily driving. Few vehicles are this versatile, and even fewer have earned this level of trust. So if you were picking your dream truck, would it be the Ford F-Series? Would you go classic F-150, heavy-duty Super Duty, or all-electric Lightning? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.